How to install extensions in Sketchup. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install extensions or add extensions in Sketchup. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta go to your Chrome or any of the search engine you have on your PC and search for Sketchup extension warehouse, and this is the site that you need, that is SketchUp extension warehouse. So it is the official extension warehouse of SketchUp. So here you can find for any of the extension you want. So you can search through the categories, or you can search for any specific extension that you want. Now you'll be able to see various free extensions that are free, and also those that are available for premium. So here you can see, for example, this is the the extension that you wish to download, and you can see that this is free. So you can sign in to continue. So simply click on sign in. So once you sign into your SketchUp account, you'll be able to see a download button appear over here. So you can simply click on download, and here you can just give it a read, and once you give it whole a read, you will be able to see this button get enabled. So you can just simply scroll down or read it, and then click on, by clicking here, I accept the above terms. So you need to make sure that you really do accept these terms, because these are your consent form. So you can simply click on done, and here you can see that the extension has been downloaded, and it is nearly downloaded. And once it's downloaded, what you can do is go to your SketchUp, and here you got to click on extensions. Once you click on extensions, you got to click on extension manager. So simply click on it, and here you'll be able to see an option that says install extension. So click on it, and once you do so, you got to navigate where you have installed the specific extension. So you can click on downloads and double click on this, and once you do so, you'll be able to see that this extension has been added over here and it is enabled. So that was basically how you can add extensions in SketchUp. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.